Welcome to the course on 3D printing in healthcare, a practical guide. Our goal is to give you hands-on knowledge and practical insight to get started with 3D printing in a medical context. So what is 3D printing? 3D printing is a manufacturing technique that creates three-dimensional objects, layer by layer, as can be seen in this video. It's a powerful technique that allows for customized, precise and often low-cost production, which is especially useful in healthcare applications. Here we see several different 3D printing setups from Kenya and Sierra Leone. As you can tell, you don't need much to get started, just some basic equipment and a bit of space. Even simple setups like these can already produce useful medical tools and parts. Let's take a look at why 3D print can make such a big difference in healthcare. In many low and middle income countries, more than 80% of the medical equipment is donated, and around 40% of those devices don't function properly. Often problems are simple. A small plastic part breaks, but spare parts aren't available locally, and it can take months to get replacements. At the same time, access to good medical training tools is limited. 3D printing can help address these challenges by enabling local production of affordable, customized medical devices, spare parts, and training simulators. It can even be used to create low-cost prosthetics, improving access to care for people who do need it most. In this course, you will learn everything you need to start using 3D printing in a healthcare context. We'll begin by looking at 3D filament printing, how it works, and where it can be used. You also learn how to create your own 3D models using computer-aided design, which is needed for printing. Then we'll move on to setting up, operating, and maintaining a 3D printer. Finally, we will apply these skills to real medical challenges, designing spare parts, training simulators, and assistive devices, and explore how 3D printing parts can be integrated into clinical practice. The type of products you'll be able to make by the end of this course include training simulators, spare parts, and assistive devices. For example, a training device for fistula repair, which helps medical staff practice delicate surgical procedures safely before working with real patients. An oxygen connector flow piece, which replaces broken or missing components in medical equipment to keep it functioning properly. And a 3D printing prosthetic leg, which provides an affordable and customized mobility solution for people who otherwise wouldn't have access to one. Now it's your time to start learning about 3D printing and make a difference in healthcare technology. Some parts might seem challenging, but don't be afraid to reach out with your question. The course team is here to help you out.